Hi guys, today we talk about Vivo S19. Its launch on May 2024. The Vivo S19 dimensions: height 6.44 inch, width 2.98 inch, thickness 7.2 mm. The weight is 193 grams. And the build: front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of Vivo S19. It's come with OLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.78 inches with 90.8% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1260 by 2800 pixels, mean 1.5K, and the PPI intensity is 453. The refresh rate of Vivo S19, it comes with 120Hz refresh rate, 4500 nits peak of brightness. The screen protection is not available at this time. Let's talk about the platform of Vivo S19. It comes with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 and the CPU is octa-core Cortex A7715. The GPU of Vivo S19, it comes with Motorola G715, and the memory of Vivo S19, it comes with 8, 12 and 16 gigs of RAM and 256 512 gigs of ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. The camera setup of Vivo S19, it comes with the dual camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide and 8 megapixel ultra wide, and it records 4K 30 fps video. The selfie camera is 15 megapixel and it also record 4K 30 fps video too. The battery backup of Vivo S19, it comes with 6000 mAh battery with 80 watt fast wired charging. It cannot support wireless charging and it can support reverse wired fast charging. The commons and the features: the Vivo S19 has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, stereo speakers, infrared port, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 2.2 and IP64 dust and water resistant. The price of Vivo S19 is $350.